This is recording number 3, learning unit 1, theme 1, and we're going to continue where we stopped last time, and we are now at the structure of acts. So you'll see that in an act there'll also always be a list of legislation that's been repealed by that act. So when an act replaces an older piece of legislation, then it's repealed. Usually at the end of an act, you will find the short title and the date of commencement. And here in our example, this act is called the Disaster Management Act 2002, and it comes into operation on a date determined by the Minister by proclamation in the Gazette. Then, another thing that's quite important is how we number sections in an act. So if you look on the left-hand side there, section 64, which deals with repeals, you'll see that it's section 64, subsection 1, and then A and B, and then subsection 2. So this is how it works. The first number of a section is always in Arabic figures. It's a number 1. Then you get subsections, so then you get A, like you see there, 1A. Then you get a number again, but this time it's a Roman figure, and after that comes the subparagraph. So now it's double A, and then if there's anything that needs to be added more than that, it becomes AA. So that's the rank, that's the way we number. So section 1, 1A, 1 Roman numerals, double A, and then you go to capitals. That's how we number our acts. Right, sorry, I need to say. So when an amendment bill is published in an official gazette for public comment, there's normally a general explanatory note, and this is the explanation that you get, where there's square brackets, so words in bold type and in square brackets means that that is being deleted. So if we want to change an act and we want to take words out of it, we put those words in square brackets and in bold. That means that we're taking it out. And when we want to put in something new, we underline it. And this is the way that bills are written, or that amendments are written, because when you read it, you can see what it was and what it's going to be, and it's easier to see and understand the changes that's being made. These are called legislative codes, and it's just the way that it's written so that everybody can understand it. After this, we'll move on to how legislation is created. And what I would like you to do is watch the video on YouTube that I've referred you to here, that really explains the whole process of how legislation is created very neatly. That concludes learning unit 1